Hello and welcome back again. Quick update for this week. Um, there is an update on the scam because there is a scam on this car. We found out that someone cloned the plate and they made a bit of a gangster movement around Manchester, and somehow this car managed to move in 20 miles, which is got extra from the last MOT. He went all the way to Manchester and back here and made only 20 miles, and it hit the car, and me and my partner probably we went out with machetes and attacking people. So anyway, this is one we still wait from the insurance company now. We managed to get our trade insurance with another company, which has been the same as last year because there's still one claim in process. So yeah, we can't use our no claim bonus. We had a technician coming over when it's been yesterday, and yeah, he said he can't see any damage. Regarding to what it was on his report there, he inspected the car, he made pictures all over it, so now we just waiting to hear from the insurance. We got a new entry. Our first 7-seater, we never had one before, is a Peugeot 5008, 10 plate, 100,000 miles with full service history, which needs a bit of work, nothing too much. It just had like new tires, stuff like that. It's been serviced. This wheel here will need to be refurbished a bit, maybe sand these things off and just add some extra paint over to make it a bit more tidy. It's got a bit of a lacquer, and this area here is like cracking or stuff like that, but it's all right. It's a 12 years old car. It's a 7-seater. So now it's 5 seats. Inside it's not that bad, but not too well as well. It's dirty. Needs good vacuum. It's got some dog hair. It doesn't smell inside though, so which is a positive thing. Probably that the first owner, is only 2 previous owners, so last one since 2014. And yeah, it's not that bad inside. Just need a general cleaning and stuff. Some all-purpose cleaner here and there. It's a 1.6 diesel, manual, 6-gear manual. It's got like cruise control, air conditioning, and all those stuff. So yeah, should be ready in 2 days. It does need an MOT, and it's got some oil leaks which we will try to sort out, see where they're coming from. But overall, quite good condition. And yeah, we have wheel locking nut missing. This will be the biggest downside of it. Anyway, it's an auction car. We bought it from Shodan Auctions. It's been 2,016 pounds, fees included, so it went 1,800 on the auction, on the hammer price. Then we paid 216 pounds fees, yeah. So yeah, not bad overall. Will make a good car, and being a 7-seater, I know a lot of people are looking for these anyway, which yeah, will be a good one. Will make a good minivan as well. And we have someone coming from the Astra. We had really good feedback on Auto Trader. It's really clean now, looking good, all fixed and repaired, except the mirror here, which I will leave it as it is because yeah, I'll not replace the whole mirror for this. Doesn't affect the car with anything anyway. It's just aesthetical for a car of 10 years old. It is what it is. Good condition overall otherwise. So yeah, this one went to the MOT, no advisories. Happy days. Yeah, we managed to fix here a bit. It looks decent, not quite visible all the time. It's got like creases all over it. Someone tried to fix it before, but he used something like, he went to something underneath it here and used something sharp or something, because it's got like I don't know, needle holes or something. I don't know how to call them. And yeah, Otherwise, looks pretty much decent. I made a bit of a repair on the bumper here as well, just a little bit of touch up to make it a bit more presentable. And yeah, let's wait for the customer now to come by and see, maybe he's gonna sell. That will be a quick seller then, if you're lucky enough. Alright, and it has sold, this one. Really fast seller, this one. It's been with us only since 2 weeks ago or something. Yeah, really nice customer. He was 35 years old anyway, but just buying his first car. He didn't pass his test yet. And yeah, this one has been a really good seller. We only spent £200 in total with it to make it right. So we paid £150 for the tires, £50 for the MOT, and with the warranty on top, which has been 105 with warranty wise. And what else? Taking into consideration VAT margins, which is 233, we made a clean profit of £861 and some extra penny. I don't know how much. Anyway, but it's been a good seller, fast seller. Sold with 6 months warranty, it's got 12 months MOT, fully serviced, a lot of parts replaced on the engine, so yeah, you can't ask for more. And now, next on the line tomorrow, we're gonna get on with this Peugeot. We got a few cars in the morning on the auction on Mannheim. Now, because the prices are tend to go lower, we're gonna try to do some shoppings on Mannheim, which is all the way in bloody Wimbledon. It's kind of far, about 100 miles. But we have a plan. We're trying to push some of the old cars which are not moving, they're not leaving the yard, to put those to auction in Mannheim. So we're gonna take those 2 cars up there and bring 2 new cars back. That's the plan. We'll see. So we just got back from the auction house, from Wimbledon, from Mannheim. Picked up another car. Really lovely Hyundai i40. Yeah, lovely one. It's a 1.7 CRDI or something. It's a turbo diesel. But if it's all really cheap to tax, I think it's 20 quid to tax or free road tax, I'm not sure. Really nice car. Amazing spec. Comes with all the dings and bells, all the spec. Lovely color, looks amazing, to be honest. Really good color as well. And funny one, it's got this bumper here. It just jumped the rail there. It'll be easy to put it back on, no problem with that. Body work is really good condition. There are no major scuffs or scratches, or except these here, because one small one here, there's a small one here, some scuffs, but it's just that's easy peasy for a car of this age. Yeah. And yeah, this one came off from Mannheim auctions, so we're back to Mannheim. I just drove it for 70 miles and it drove amazing, really good drive, really nice drive, to be honest. Not a big fan of these, but so we have 81,000 miles nearly. Yeah, just drove it 70 miles back, and yeah, it didn't miss a beat at all. The only issue that it's got a bit of a knock in the steering wheel, but it's got a Mannheim silver sure check, so this means we covered. We gotta investigate it tomorrow to see exactly what the issue is. Yeah, it's got electronic parking brake, it's got sat nav. It's got the reversing camera as well. Yeah, really nice. Digital climate control and all them things, cruise control, Bluetooth. This I think it's got, I don't know what exactly does this. I think it's like diving mirror, auto diving mirror, stuff like that, which is handy as well. Yeah, lots of nice spec. Pretty much clean inside. The driver's seat has got a bit of wear on this side here, but well, it's 80,000 miles, 81,000. It's got a bit of a soiling there, but nothing we can't fix. in the back as well. Just need a general clean. But what I love with these is the bloody, just the full room. So I'm like 5'8", and I drove the car, right? So now I'm just in the back seat. So look how much space is here. Huge car, to be honest, really good space. And yeah, the back seats are a bit dirty down there, but yeah, probably had kids or something, because my kid is doing the same. He's just hitting with his feet on the back of the seat there. So yeah, that could be explanatory how that thing got there. Yeah, I got this thing here. Right, really nice spec. I don't think it's the highest spec because I think we can get them with leather as well, but this one is better that it's not leather, because when this weather now, it's gonna just burn your arse, technically. And yeah, good one. It's got like electric seats as well with electric lumbar support. Nice. And it's got a genuine mats as well. We had enough keep buying mats and stuff like that, so go on. It's all my stuff in here. It's got the mats as well, but anyway, this is the driver's side, I think. It's got a hole in there, but it can go like that. It's fine. Yeah. Really happy with this. What is that? Just pull it back, right? Yeah, cool. Yeah. So this one, what it needs a service. Nothing else. Really good condition. The engine doesn't have any oil leaks and stuff like that. We just checked it. And funny thing about this car, really funny to be honest. Right, so it says here on the inspection report, says that is a NAMA grade 5. Right, and yeah, I don't know why it says 5, to be honest, because it's got some soiling and stuff like that, but I had a grade 2 from Mannheim before, and that thing was easily grade 5. We got some scuffs on the wheels. Oh yeah, we have to do the wheels, and some just really small dings here and there, which, yeah, so nothing bad with it. And well, the best one, so yeah, we bought it. We knew that there is no service history showing on the as you can see here on the service history. Says no, awaiting for information. But yeah, so we picked up the keys, we got inside the cars. I found these two here. I just took the first one here, routine and maintenance information, and guess what? Let's check it, see what we can find. Here it is. We have a full service history. Yeah, full service history, stamped every year. Last time it's been serviced on 75,000 in 2021. And yeah, well, what I can say, absolutely nothing. I'm really happy about this, because we were a bit worried. We didn't know if it'll be a bit harder to sell because there is no service history or stuff like that, but apparently we got lucky this time. You cannot be more than happy than now, you know, just finding all the service book with all the stamps. This is really positive thing about this car. And yeah, what I can say, Mannheim really did their homework this time. Really did it. Although, it's a bit too much grade 5 on this car, to be honest. I mean, look, steering wheel, everything is clean. Clean, that you don't see. I mean, it's usual wear and tear for 80,000 miles car, you know. And it's not like premium car anyway, you know. You get like a big salon with, let's say not the worst quality inside, but not the best either. Let's say somewhere medium, but nah. It will not compete with a similar car, let's say like a Volkswagen Passat, or I don't know, Audi A4, might be same league, I don't know. Yeah, it's similar quality to like a Vauxhall Insignia, like the one we have in the air now. So yeah, anyway, really happy with the purchases. This one will need the wheels doing, will need a service, and it can go up for sale. Yep, really happy with the purchase. And See you guys later on. We're gonna start working on the Peugeot tomorrow on the 5008. And yeah, we're gonna keep updated. Funny one now. Yeah, tomorrow we will be back on online auction at Mannheim. The guys at Wimbledon, they're really nice people down there, really fast and really good service, to be honest. Really good service. I never thought I would have like good words about auction houses because I had bad experience before with them. Not with Mannheim, actually we did, but yeah, let's go over it. The only problem I had with Mannheim last time it was that the car was listed as a grade 2, but it could have been easily grade 5. Easily grade 5, even more if it was possible, right? So yeah, I know you can claim it, but yeah, you know, just happy got my car, just did all them bits on it, so I just listed it for sale, you know. But yeah, but this one, it's a nice grade 3, I say, despite the fact it's having a full service history. It's got an MOT till end of February somewhere, so we don't have to do an MOT. It had no advisories on the last MOT, although I think this knocking noise on the steering rack, they should have picked it up, but yeah, well, we might print out the certificate and see who was the professional that did that MOT, because you can always get dodgy ones. Either way, car is in really good condition. Tomorrow morning we'll be going to our mechanic to inspect it to see what was that knocking on the steering rack, to see if maybe we need a new steering rack. And my hand will pay for it. Yeah. So yeah, see you back again soon by the end of the week with preparation videos for the Peugeot and the Hyundai, and maybe we're gonna make some extra purchases tomorrow. Let's hope on the auction, because the prices, they were quite decent prices, to be honest, really decent prices. We only managed to pick up this one because we still looking to stay under, let's say under 5 grand, but this one will be like a 5795 value. The price we bought it for, it's 3,000. That was the hammer price, and we paid together 3,347 pounds, all fees included. We collected it ourselves, so we didn't pay any delivery. Yeah, retails for 5795 on a good price market, good price marker, which is really good. Yep, really good.